Another little mechanical tip too, never attempt to do a job on your car unless you've had something to eat first. Never do a job on an empty stomach. Grab something to eat. I like tuna. Tuna, that's the go. Yuck. What is that? What brand of tuna is that? Oh no! Welcome back to Mechanical Tips with Fletch. You know, today, out of all the projects that I can give you, we're going to do a broken door handle. Now, you're probably thinking, why the bloody hell would you want to do a broken door handle? Well, why not? I mean, let's face it, if you've got a car and you're going to keep it for quite an amount of time, chances are during that time, you're going to break a door handle, and you don't want to be the bunny that gets stuck and you don't know how to replace it. So stick with me. Once again, we'll go step by step and I'll show you how to fix this very broken door handle. Oh, pardon me. Now, first things first, I've gone the extra mile here. I've taken the door actually off the car. Now, how many people do that? I've got it on wheels. It's going to move backwards and forwards really easy. You've just got to be careful that you don't injure yourself in the process. There's a lot of weight in these doors. We pull it this way and See, here we go, look at this. Totally knackered. Stays in. Comes out. And see, the beauty of this job is that a trolley jack, power saw, sawhorse, a jigsaw, angle grinder and an axe is not required, because all that you'll need is this socket set. Now we start stripping the door winder comes off just like that. Of course there was a screw in there, oh duh. Here we go, door trim off like that as we make our way to the internals of the door. Oh, pardon me. Excessive force can bring out the wind in one. Oh well, we're getting there slowly. Now it's time for glass removal. Alright, now time for the front quarter glass to come out. Always easy, these just come straight out, these. after about a good hour, totally stripping the door, as you can see, getting into the inside of the door to undo the 2 internal nuts which holds the door handle on. So we're just going to undo those nuts, and where are the nuts? There's no nuts. Where are the inside nuts? Inside nuts to the door handle, where are they? There's just 2 threads. What's going? Well, that means after all that, oh, you gotta be kidding me. You rotten jar. For God's sake, all the time. G'day, George. Hey, mate. All the time. You wasted my bloody time. Who took these nuts off? Oh, God, who did?
Make sure that you